All right, run it.
What's up, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Starboy as we back with another video. And I know it has been a little while since you guys seen me and I seen you guys.
This is when I usually come back and I tell you guys we're going to be dropping every day like I used to and all that stuff. But I'm not going to go ahead and jinx
myself like I usually do. We're just going to drop when it flows, but I will still be dropping on my regular times, such as Wednesdays and Sundays. I was just trying to plan on my next month, get things situated, you feel me? But in today's video, as you guys can tell from the thumbnail and the title, pretty much I will be showing you guys some dope clothing pieces and sneakers that I have picked up over the past couple of weeks. And I feel like it's just a good way to go ahead and show you guys some of the things I have been copping. And if you guys are new, I am Starboy Dez. I do make fashion related content such as lookbooks, how to style, anything to do with streetwear. So if any of those things actually interest you guys, you already know what to do. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 1K. 1K doesn't really seem so far because we are at like 750, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So with that being said, make sure to hit that sub button and most definitely hit that like button so you can go and help the channel grow, because the more likes I get on this video, the more YouTube actually pushes the channel, which is dope for both of us, because if I grow, then you guys grow with me. So with that being said, let me stop all that talking. We just gonna get straight into the items that I have picked up. So for the first item on the list, it is gonna be, I think I'm gonna start off with sneakers wise. I feel like I'm gonna just get the sneakers out the way first, because you know who doesn't love sneakers. But the first sneaker that we will be talking about is the Jordan 3 Laser Orange. This is actually a women's exclusive. Yes, I know I'm a little late with this sneaker. This sneaker did come out like last year or something. And don't worry, I will have B-roll on everything in this video. But like I was saying, I do know that this sneaker did come out like last year or 2 years ago. I'm not really too sure. But this is definitely one of them sneakers that I wish that like I would have copped when it first came out. And I just been eyeing for a little while and I feel like the price is right. I didn't want to go ahead and wait till it hit 400, so I feel like right now is a good time to cop them. I recently got these, I say like a couple weeks back, and yeah, they still dead stock. Just been trying them on in the house. You know, I haven't really found the right fit. I'm not just gonna throw these on with just anything. And yeah, just a very dope sneaker. If you guys haven't seen already, this is laser orange. This is like that laser orange, but I consider this to be like gold inside, honestly. And it's just a very dope sneaker. Reminds me of something like the white cements, just with yellow. Very dope sneaker overall. If I had to, I'd give these things a 10 out of 10. Moving on to another sneaker that I have been eyeing. I've been eyeing this sneaker forever. When they first came out, I just fell in love with them. I didn't really cop them when they first came out because, as you guys do know, the Nike Dunks has been going, it's been going crazy for the past couple of years, for this year and last year. I don't know what it is, but everybody going crazy. You know, prices on all Dunks are like $300 to $400, and I feel like that's OD. Some prices have came down on some sneakers that I will be copping. At the moment, I really didn't feel like paying resale, because at the time they were doing like a lot of shock drops on these sneakers, like they were doing like a lot of restocks, stuff like that. So I feel like I could have copped, but you know, like always, sneakers and all those things were not on my side, so I did have to pay resale. Resale wasn't too crazy. Paid like, I think $210, so it was only like $100 more. And some of the other sneakers are going for like 300 plus. I can't really do that. I don't really see myself paying $250 more for a sneaker that costs $100. But hey, to each his own. Michigan Dunks, you have that blue and that yellow. Feel like a very dope sneaker, you know, something to switch it up, so it's not just J's and all of that good stuff. Now, another item on the list is not to do with clothing, it's just an accessory. I do want to go ahead and show you guys this dope hat that I did pick up recently. I just picked this up, like I would say, probably like the other day, honestly. Very dope hat though. It's basically like a New York Yankees, but all over it just has like different patches. Like as you guys can see right there, you have the Statue of Liberty, you have the rose on the New York. You have like that tattoo style New York logo with the heart right there. Then you have the World Series patch. That's, you know, just very iconic, very dope. On that side right there, as you guys can see, you do have, I believe that's the New York State. Could be wrong. I don't want to be looking dumb out here, but let me know down in the comment section. But you do have that, and it's just a very dope hat. And on the front, pretty much you just have the butterflies with the New York logo with the roses coming out of it. It's actually a very dope hat, and it's very good to go ahead and switch out from that, you know, usual dad hat look. I'm not really too big of a fan of dad hats anymore myself. I did cop a lot. I'm really trying to get rid of a lot of them, and I'm really just trying to go ahead and stick to the OG stuff like snapbacks, you know. Even this right here, this is like a 940, so it has like the Velcro in the back. But I'm really just trying to get into fitted, snapbacks and stuff like that. And I feel like why not start it off with this dope hat right here. For you guys that do want to know, I did pick this up from Urban Outfitters. They do have a lot more different colors. They have like blue, yellow. They even have like a Lakers colorway, which is very dope. And it's just dope hats, if you ask me. And I'm definitely going to be picking up some more in the near coming future. Now, moving on to the clothing side of the video. You know, we're just going to go on that same theme with that sports team. And we're just going to go ahead and start it off with this jacket right here. This is a varsity jacket I got from Mecari right here. I think I paid like $50 or like around that range. And I feel like it was a dope jacket I just had to pick up. As you guys can see on the front, it does say Detroit Tigers. I've been looking for the varsity jacket for a little while now, and this is definitely fitting for the one I was looking for and all that. But pretty much you do have an all black jacket right here in the front. Then on the sleeves you do have that black transition into that white, and then it goes to that navy blue or like that dark blue, midnight blue. It's just a very dope colorway. But the main reason I bought this jacket is because of that back. Oh my god, as you guys can see in the back, you do have that Detroit Tigers and you do have that D logo. It's just a very fire jacket, honestly. When I seen the back, I just had to go and pick it up. I couldn't go ahead and sleep anymore, you know. I felt like somebody was going to go ahead and buy it up before me. And I felt like, you know, it was just right for me to go and copy right now. It's a very thick jacket. It does have all the things I want. And it's just that look that I have been going for, you know. And I feel like this right here is just something I just had to add, honestly. Now something that's not sports related, and it's actually on the lighter side, honestly. We're going to be talking about this flannel right here. You know, hold on. Some of you guys might say this flannel is ugly. Some of you guys might think this flannel is fire. But I feel like this flannel is very clean, very just a dope looking piece, honestly. And especially, as you guys do see on camera, it should be in that blue and golden colorway. And as soon as I seen this, I definitely had to go ahead and cop. It does go with the Michigan Dunks perfectly. I probably wouldn't do it with this right here. I feel like it's just too much going on. And I think it's just too much blue and yellow, but you know, nonetheless, it does go with it if I want to go with that, you know, matchy look. You feel me? Overall, very dope piece. Not really too much Tommy Hilfiger branding on this flannel right here. Just have like a little small patch at the bottom over here with his famous logo. It's a little bit oversized, as you guys can see from the B-roll. I don't really mind it. I feel like it actually still fits very, very well. Sometimes it's not really the best to have fitted clothes. You know, sometimes you want that oversized look, and I feel like this piece right here definitely does it. And just the overall dope flannel, if you ask me. So for the next piece that we do have on the list right here, we do have this Garth Brooks t-shirt right here. I know, this is like the famous Garth Brooks t-shirt. Everybody owns this or seen this or had it before. I never had it. I didn't really know what the shirt was really about, honestly, until I got it. Very thick t-shirt, you know, very good quality, honestly. And I feel like it's just a dope t-shirt just to have in, you know, your wardrobe or whatnot, you know, something different. No, I do not listen to country. I do not listen to Garth Brooks. Don't even know who Garth Brooks is. But obviously, since I got the shirt, I do have to go ahead and check out a few of his songs, you know, see what he does do. So if somebody asks me, I can go ahead, you know, back it up and not pause. But onto the back, we do have all the places that he has been, the tour dates and all them things. You know, the usual, you know, very good quality. Neck area is what really actually got me, honestly. I know it sounded weird, but like when it comes to like t-shirt, I do like my t-shirts that have like a very thick neck collar. I feel like it just fits better, it looks better. And when you do rock jewelry pieces like chains or whatnot, it does look a lot nicer because it's actually sitting right there, you feel me? Here we do have another piece that I did pick up from the thrift store. Well, actually, I didn't tell you, but that Garth Brooks t-shirt, I did pick it from Mecari. I picked it up for like 15 bucks. So, you know, go ahead and check out Mecari. You might find the steals. But this is a jacket that I did find from the Goodwill. As you guys can see, it is a Guess jacket. Yes, I know. Guess jeans, you know, not the best. But this is actually, it looks like a vintage jacket. You know, it is a 3XL, but the way it looks and fits, it does not fit like a 3XL at all. More of like a crop look. And you know, a lot of places they are offering that crop look, and I feel like when it comes down to it, this right here is definitely a piece that I had to go ahead and add to my collection of jackets in that nice brown suede material. When it comes to something like this, I probably wear a shirt that's not really too baggy. Honestly, I'll probably just go with a nice fitting t-shirt, or maybe even a shirt that fits slightly oversized. And what I mean by that is not a shirt that's going to be down to your kneecaps, but overall very nice piece to actually add to my wardrobe. You know, I will be rocking this when it does get cold. Might not get that cold, might be sweating a little bit, but we're gonna be rocking them. So now moving on to the next piece in this list, we do have a vest right here. This is actually from the brand X-Ray. It's just a olive green, you know, light faded wash green right here. But I feel like it's very dope about this piece right here. You do have X's on all the buttons, even up here, but that's just a very dope touch to add to the vest. But that's what really caught my eye. You do have that skull right there. I feel like it's fire, you know, just a different look. And the reason why I really picked up this vest is I have been seeing a lot of people on Instagram and Pinterest and all these places, you know, wearing different type of vests, and I want to go ahead and get into that trend and see if I can go and rock it, see if I even like it. You know, that's a good thing about fashion. You can go and mix and match, you know, different things, you know, see what you like, see what you don't like, and you don't have to be stuck in just one box. If you guys are trying to get into, you know, just go ahead and try out different things, see what you like and what you don't like. Not too sure how I'm going to rock it just yet. Just a very dope piece to have, you know, in my wardrobe, you know, if I want to switch it up with. Now moving on to the last piece of tops that I do have. This is a corduroy. This is actually a shirt, but I did make it into like, this is actually a shirt, but I'm actually gonna wear it as a jacket. And honestly, I did not know how hot corduroy gets. Like, for the record, I'm not really too big into corduroy, but you know, this right here just caught my eye. If you guys do not own any corduroy pieces, let me be the first to tell you these things are extremely hot. I had this on for one day. I wanted to take a picture and whatnot. I was sweating like a horse and a cat. Sweating on my nose, ears, everything was just sweating. I was out here about to pass out. But honestly, very dope looking piece. You know, I did have to alter it a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it, but in the B-roll it should be shown. But I did go ahead and trim it just a little bit, as you guys can see. It's not really just a straight cut. I did want to give it like a curved look, so like in the front it's a little bit shorter than the back, and I felt like that was fire. And then I gave it like, you know, I released some of the little like stitching or whatnot to give it that like frayed vintage looking vibe. And then nothing on the back, just a very dope piece. Now we're gonna be coming up on the ending of the video with just these last two pieces, but pretty much these are bottoms right here. Just a few things that I have been trying to go ahead and try out as well, and just some things that I have been looking for. So pretty much the first item that we do have is just these Vans cargo. What am I talking about? Vans cargo. These are actually some Vans Chino pants, and right here I can't really get the look off for you guys to see. But you know, just in that khaki colorway, it does have some school vibes. But I feel like this right here is more of like a trendier look when it comes to Chino pants. You know, it's more on the back of your side, so it does sit well when you're wearing your sneakers. Very comfortable. It does have a little bit of stretch, which I feel like is a plus when it comes to these Chino pants, because if you do gain some weight, you know, it's always going to go ahead and fit. But very clean overall pair of pants. I have been looking to buy a black pair, because like these pants are just so comfortable and fire. They go with everything. I feel like I just need another color and another pair of these pants, you know, just to go ahead and rock throughout that spring, summertime. It's not too hot, you know, it's very comfortable, very flowy. Does give you those summertime, springtime vibes, and you know, just a dope pair of pants to have in your collection. But as you guys can see, I'm wearing it right here with a pair of fours right here. Do fit nicely. Not just with fours, they do look good with some ones, as you guys can see right here, and they do look good with some threes as well. You know, just a dope pair of pants. Very dope piece to have. And you know, if this right here didn't sell you guys on these pants, I don't know what will. And they are very affordable as well. Now for the last item on the list, I know I said I wasn't too big in the corduroy, but we do have another pair of corduroy pants right here. This is from Old Navy. They get it from the thrift store though, you know, for $5. You know, stop playing. You know, we got to get them steals and them deals. But you know, these are actually carpenter pants, so I feel like this right here makes it a lot better. As you guys can see, you have the little pocket to hold your hammers and stuff. Do what you got to do, you know, get things done on the job. But this right here just has a very nice color. It's like that faded green, but like it's like an olive green but like faded, so it has this ashy look. I can't really explain it. Hopefully the B-roll you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. But honestly, when it came down to these, I have been looking for some corduroy pants for the longest. I actually was looking to pick up the brown pair, but now that I have this green pair in my hand, yo, like this right here is just crazy. And I feel like I might not even pick up the brown pair because I have this green. You know, green does go with everything, has some fall vibes as well. So that right there will actually conclude the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And let me know down in the comment section what was your favorite piece that I have picked up. For me personally, it would have to be these Jordan 3 Laser Orange. I know it's nothing too crazy. The prices might not be too high for you guys, because you know everybody out here big steppers nowadays. But for me, I feel like this is my favorite pickup from the whole, you know, video. Honestly, very dope pair of shoes to have, and a shoe that I have been looking to pick up for a little while. Let me know down in the comment section that you guys are still alive by hitting that like button. You know, I do want to know that you guys are still breathing and still living and not sleep right now. So with that being said, if you guys are new to the channel, you skipped the intro. I am Starboy Dez. I do make fashion related content such as lookbooks, how to style, anything to do with streetwear. So if any of those things actually interest you guys, you already know what to do. Hit that like button, and most definitely hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 1K. 1K doesn't seem like such a far goal right now, and you know, it's just been going right lately. So with that being said, stay tuned for the next video, and we out. Peace.